Q&A with BA. I'm Sarah, and I'm giving you a double-handed jazz fingery hello.
Fingery.
This here is Clint Hansen, and we're so excited to be here. Did I say Q&A with BA yet? This is Q&A with BA, and we're here to answer your questions, and we are super excited. I'm trying to stay calm because last week, as you know, I was very excited about fall, but I'm going to stay calm today. I'm going to be really mature in this episode. But real quick, before we get to the questions, I do want to share with you, our special viewers and guests and friends. It's very personal and very exciting. I brought my front door pumpkin. Every fall, my husband and I like to have a front door pumpkin. Isn't it so cute? I just saw him and I was like, you're the one, you know? Like, I just felt it. Anyway, we just love him. He's part of our family right now.
Gonna put him right.
Oh, good. He can stay with us. I promise you guys I'm perfectly sane. Anyway, let's move on to the questions. Yay! We have a question today from our friend Trash Panda.
Trash Panda? I had Panda today for, he might not be talking about food. Maybe
You had Panda today?
I did, but he might like pandas. They don't serve
What
Panda
do you mean
there.
you had Panda today?
Panda Express.
Oh, Panda Express.
The food,
Okay.
but they don't serve pandas on the menu.
That's good. Thank goodness
So-
because they are so cute.
Yeah, I don't think I could eat a panda.
That noise came from. So between your 17.7 223 Wylde BA Hansen and the 18-inch 223 Wylde SPR, which would you recommend for slow precision shooting? Get it? I said that slow because you said slow precision.
You did say that slow. Well, all right. I don't think I can answer that. Matter of fact, I think I'm going to make it more complicated,
Oh,
and then
great.
answer the question with a question. So you're comparing a 17.7 Hansen and an 18-inch SPR.
Yes.
Why not go ahead and open up your possibilities to a 17.7 Hansen and an 18-inch Hansen? Okay, so we got those over here.
Sure.
And then an 18-inch SPR and an 18-inch fluted. Now we have four, okay? Here's the question you got to ask yourself, okay? Do I want to save weight? Am I going to carry the rifle to this location and shoot slow and precise? Or am I going to get out of my car and just kind of lay down? Is weight not really an issue? You know, there's all kinds of things to think about here. You know what I'm saying? So I guess the big differences between the two, you know, so with the Hansens, they're both mid-length systems. With the SPR and the fluted version, those are both rifle-length systems. So there's a question you got to answer for yourself, which I can't do for you. It's what is best for you, or what you like. What, you know, gas system impulse is better for you. From fluted to non-fluted, or 17.7 to 18, now we have the weight savings issue there as well. So, yeah, those are the two questions. Now you have four barrels to pick from. And do you like mid-length or rifle gas? And I can't answer that for you. So I'm really sorry not to answer your questions, but I just broadened the scope of your shopping experience. Maybe you just want to go ahead and buy all four.
Ooh, yeah. I like that. So what's the difference between the Hansen profile and the SPR profile?
Well, besides the gas system itself, which the Hansens, both of them, are mid-length, and the SPR is rifle length, the Hansen is bereft of any right angles, if I'm going to coin a term or quote Abner Miranda on that one. It doesn't have any right angles. We do have a follow-up Hansen video, so let's kind of get into that. So here's another teaser for you there. The SPR, or Special Purpose Rifle profile, is a little heavier. Pretty straight underneath the handguard, and then just has a step down to the 750 journal. So not the shoulderless design, however, a plenty rigid barrel, especially too, and even in the fluted versions. Fun fact: when we first tested out our fluting, if we're comparing all BA barrels ever made out of our shop, the first fluted barrels we tested were actually the most accurate barrels that have ever left this building.
That's awesome.
Yeah, they were like hole over hole. It was pretty mad.
That's cool.
That's all I got for you. So maybe that helps you navigate through the website. Probably doesn't help you make your decision any easier, but it's Q&A. It's not like give you the best answer to answer all your questions. We can ask questions back, right?
Right. That's true. Thank you, Trash Panda, for your question. We loved it. We hope you enjoyed our answer. Guys, if you like this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up. Comment below so that you can have the opportunity to see Clint Hansen answer one of your questions. And we can't wait to see what you send us. This here is Clint Hansen. Nope. Maybe I should start over.
Okay. Trashy Panda, take 3. Thank you.
Wait, is your birthday today?
Yeah.
What?
That's why we were talking about it.
What? It's your birthday?
Yeah.
Clint, I'm gonna cry. You didn't tell me.
I'll go around and tell everybody. It's my
I
birthday.
thought we were friends.
I said, happy birthday.
That's all right. I mean, you don't have to wish me happy birthday. I get it. You don't
Great,
care.
I won't.
You don't care.
Cool, I won't do
You
it.
care more about fall.
But when my birthday comes, I expect some fanfare. Okay?
You'll get it.